Hey, welcome back to another video. My name's Marissa and today we're going to be drawing an elf on the shelf. Let's start by drawing a curve line like this. Now we're going to draw a line that goes down and in, and then kind of the same thing on the other side, a line that goes down and in. And then we're going to draw a line up and around, and then once you get to that point, draw a curve, and then we're going to draw a line up and then in a bit like this, and then we're going to draw a line that goes and touches the corner. That'll be the hair. Now we're going to draw the rest of the face. So start kind of at the hair and then go down with a curve like this, and then same thing, start at the hair and then go down and in with a curve like that. And then we're going to draw a line down for the neck, and then same thing on the other side, a line down for the neck. We're going to draw an ear. So start kind of at the hair and then go down and in. Same thing over here, go out and then in for the ear. We're gonna draw the hat that goes on top. So start at one of your corners and then go up, 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 all the way until you want to stop. I'm gonna stop right there. And then same thing on the other side, start at your corner and then go in and up, 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 until we make kind of like a triangle at the top. And then put a curve at the top. We're also going to make a curved line that goes on the hat like this. And then we're going to draw some of the face. So let's draw like a big rainbow line that goes like this, and then a big rainbow line that goes across. And then we're going to draw some of the eyes. So draw a curve that goes in, same thing on the other side, draw a curve that goes in, and then we're going to draw a circle and a circle. There we go. And then we can color in around that circle black as best you can. My circle's kind of fading away. No, that's okay. Now we're going to draw 3 eyelashes. You can skip this part or you can add it to yours. Mine looks like this. I'm going to draw a curve for the eyebrow, another curve for another eyebrow, and then a cute smile. There. Let's draw the rest of the body. So mine's going to go out and down. Same thing, you go out and then down also. I'm going to extend my line a little bit longer just to match this one. And then we're going to go in with a line, and then we're going to go around and in like this. And then same thing over on this side. So we're going to do a line in, and then from that line in, we're going to go out, 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 and then in, just like that. Let's draw a line that goes from here inwards like that. Same thing, we're going to draw a line that goes here and then inwards like this. We're going to draw another line that goes out and kind of follows this one. Same thing on the other side, draw a line that goes out and follows this one. we're gonna draw the pattern at the top. And the pattern is just a bunch of like straight lines like this. And it keeps going and then going and then stops. And then if you don't have your lines closed already, you can close it up like that. There. Now let's start by creating a hand. You draw a curve, and then from that curve, we're gonna draw like a little oval. Same thing on this side. Kind of extend your arm just a bit there, and then draw a curve. And this time, this hand is gonna go behind the other one. So keep drawing past the hand and then make your curve. There. Now my elf is gonna be having his legs sitting up. So we're gonna draw 2 lines kind of in the middle for his legs. But first let's draw part of the body so I know where to put my legs. We're gonna just draw a line down, and then this line goes down also. Now for the legs, we're gonna put one line across like this, and then another line across like that. And then in the middle, there's gonna be a line that goes down. There. And then we're going to create the bottom. So kind of find where this line goes and go past the arm, and then go down and in just a bit. Same thing on this side. We're gonna go down and in just a bit. I'm gonna draw a line that goes up and down like this. We're gonna make it curved in the middle. That's gonna be a foot. And then we're gonna make another line that goes down and then curves in the middle and goes up. So it kind of looks like he's sitting on his bottom. Now we're gonna make him sit on a shelf. So let's get our shelf and put it at the bottom of him by just drawing a line out. And then on the other side, same thing, draw a line out. We're going to draw a line that goes down, another line that goes down, and in. And once you get to his feet, go past it, and then keep going till you hit the other side like this. Now let's draw a line that goes behind him. So draw, and then once you get to your elf, could be a girl or a boy, keep going until you hit the edge. There we go. And if you wanted to draw any accessories, you can put it on the shelf. I'm going to close up my shelf by just drawing lines down to touch the bottom. I almost forgot to close off the head part with the neck and his body meat, which is just a line. There we go. Now let's color him in. Here's our elf on the shelf. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe for new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye.